Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Stacy here, and I'm back with another shopping haul for you guys. This time I am doing a Range shopping haul. I got a few Christmas bits from Range and a few other items, and I decided why not do a shopping haul and share it with you guys. So this one is from the Range, and it's my local store, the Range. So let's get into what I got to share with you guys today. First few items. The first few items I'll be sharing with you guys are these flowers that I picked up in the Range. So I've got this one. This one. So I think I got two of each. Right, so I had two of those. And this one, I love these ones. They're so cute. And it's quite long stemmed. I got this one. And they've just got a little bit of shimmer on them. I don't know if you can see if I turn it this way. But yeah, this one as well. So I've just been picking up a few flowers, and these ones, they're like mirrored leaves. I got them in the Christmas section. So these are from the Christmas section in the Range. And they're very nice, very beautiful. They're like mirrored. Let me actually take it out of this. So you guys can see what it actually looks like. And I got two of those. But yes, this is what it looks like. They're beautiful. I love them. And they've got some little beads on them as well. So, and they've got quite a long stem. So these ones as well, and I got two of those, and I think that's all the flowers I got. Oh, I got these, well, I mean, these aren't flowers, but they're garlands. I got these beautiful gold garlands. One is already out of the bag. Let me show you that one. And they're 1.6 meters, so a good size. I don't want to pull it out anymore, but yes, these are some beautiful gold garlands. The next item I got are these gorgeous colors balls. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I'm just oohing and eyeing because I so love this color. This is the shade blue I'm doing this year. I do have some already from a few years back. But yes, I'll be adding these to my gold, white, and silver to my Christmas tree this year. So I'm picking up a few of these, and I love these. I got, I think, 2 or 3 of those. The next item is these ones as well. And I love the colors. The colors are beautiful. I got another, oops, I'm just digging in the bag, guys. I got these ones as well in the cobalt blue. I'm thinking it is coming up like purple here, but it's actually not. It's that cobalt blue that I so love. And these, you see, come back and you can see, oh, And those are the only baubles. I got them in a few of each. I just got me a few DIY items. I got some tacky glue for DIY. I got these little mirrored pieces, these little small mirrors for arts and crafts, so for lovely DIY. I also got me some thumbtacks, or push pins as they call it. Nothing special there. Yes, the next item I got, which is this gorgeous vase that I saw and I fell in love with it, is, yes, this lovely vase here. And it's just got that cute shape. And I love it. I love the shape of it. And that's the last item I got. So I just picked up a few items from the range, and these are items that I'm really loving. That's the end of my quick little haul from the range. Let me know what you think. And I just enjoyed sharing these with you guys. And some of these are for a few DIYs, and some of these are just for my Christmas collection. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy watching this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already a part of the Xcellence family. Join the fam, guys, and come on this YouTube journey with me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all, and as usual, have a lovely day and be blessed. Bye, guys.